So now let's create some scatter chart. So a scatter plot is a graph that uses dots to show the relationship between two different numerical variables. In the reference scatter chart, you can see that the number of days is showing relationship with the global radiation. Here the number of days showing the relationship with the temperature, and so like this. So if you closely see in the given data, here days is given, the date is given here, not the days number. So but in the reference chart the days number is given. So the chart is not between these two values or these two values. So it is, the chart is created based on this data and the number of days. So we don't need to, so when we creating chart data, we don't need to select these two cells together. We can, for creating a global radiation data, we can only select this column, because the day number, this is already in the column, already in the cell reference, so you don't need to select it additionally. So I can select the whole column with Ctrl Shift and arrow down button, and when I press Ctrl and backspace button together, I will return to the top of the page. Then I go to the insert button and select recommended charts, and from here I can select my preferred chart. Though this chart is almost look like this one, I cannot select this one because I have to create a scatter chart. Line chart is usually based on the two given datas. Like if we have to, we had to select days and temperature, then we could select this one. And the another thing is that the line chart usually shows the trends from one day to another, but here we are only showing the relationships, we are only showing the distribution of temperature in different days. So we are not showing here trends here. So we will select the scatter chart, and then we will format it as a line chart. So how we will do it, I will go to the change chart type and I will select the XY scatter. From XY scatter I will select the line type. I will not go to the line option, I will stay on the scatter and I will select the line option here from here. So I press OK. So now it is a scatter chart, but it is showing its scatter distribution as a line. So it is okay. Now in this line chart I can see that the difference between two major grid line is 100 unit. So I will change it. I will double click on it and change the major units into 100. And for the minor I can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 tick marks, 5 space between 100, so it should be 20. Yeah, it is already 20, so it is okay. Then I can see in the reference chart I don't need vertical grid lines, so I will remove the vertical line from chart design, chart element, the grid lines. I will remove the vertical grid lines and I will format the major grid line to line option, sorry, to dotted line option. I will double click on it and I will change the dash type to dotted. This is not dashes dot, this is normal dot, and delete this the side. You change the color to a darker version, so then it is yeah. Then I can see that there is no decimal point in the reference chart, so I will remove the decimals option from the numbers. The decimal place, I will not put any decimal places, and I can see that there is also watt per meter square. That means the unit is written here, so I will add unit. I will go select the and go to here, the number option, the axis options, go to the number, and I will change the format here. So I will put custom. So the 00 means the number, and I have to put W by meter square here. So I will put W by meter square, but as it is a letter, I have to put it in double quotation. So W by meter square. So W by meter square, I can copy it from here. And make it add, and it will be added. Then I make it a little bit bolder. And I can also add the axis title like this from at design, at primary, and vertical axis titles. I will write tage or date, days, and from this one I can write watt per meter square. Watt per meter. For square, you can go to here, sorry, there is no options for going to meter square, so I will select it. I will copy it from here. Okay, so this is not possible in my laptop, so I will keep it like this. The square is not possible here. So, and I can see that this is on the top of the position, so I will change its position on the format option. I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay, I have to change the don't know why it is not working. Okay, then I will take it on the top. Yeah, and I can make its color to red. Okay, but however, if you want to put square in Excel, you can do this one. Like if I want to put a square on M, you can put M. The square should be here somewhere. I don't know. Okay, I found out where will you get a square. So when you select on the arrow button here, you will see the superscript option. So superscript means square. Superscript mean uh, the letter will be on the top of the previous letter. Okay, and I can press 2 and it will be show as a square. Okay, so now let's do it for the temperature. So I will do it quickly because it is as same as the previous one. I don't know, it doesn't work here. I have to select it from here. Okay, here I can see the tick marks on the axis, so I can also add tick marks. So major tab is cross and minor is inside, and also here so minor is inside. Also I can also do it for this one. Big marks, major, cross, minor. That's it. So this is all. You can also do it for the third one. Bye.